Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Welcome back. Time for our weather on the 4s. It is 6:14. Checking out our weather with our new meteorologist, Thomas Geboy. Thomas, what do you got for us this Monday?
Yeah, good morning, Sarah. We're looking at, unfortunately, similar weather carried over from what we saw at the end of last week, and that means we're going to see more times of patchy smoke. But I'm optimistic by the middle stages of the week, we're going to see some changes. So it's going to be a warm start to the week, and by the middle stages of the week, we will be trending cooler. And we'll also have that slight chance for a few showers and storms. I think there's actually going to be a pretty good chance by the time we get into your Wednesday. But for today and tomorrow, more times of patchy smoke thanks to a westerly and southwesterly breeze. So those concentrations will continue to be thickest in the central and in the northern half of the state. Meanwhile, in the southern half of the state, there will be some haze and there will be some patchy smoke as well. But because of the continued patchy smoke, we're looking at another day of relatively poor air quality along the Wasatch Front, where you see those shades of orange, and that is unhealthy for sensitive groups. And you're even finding more shades of orange as you travel east of the Wasatch. Down in the southwestern corner of the state, air quality today not looking to be too bad. This might change to moderate depending on the wildfire situation in southwestern Utah, but we'll continue to keep you posted on that. But we're looking at unhealthy for sensitive groups for most spots across the state. In the meantime, here's the view from Deer Valley, and it's a pretty start to the morning, but you can definitely tell that there's a little bit of haze there as you look off towards the horizon. So we're seeing more smoke being transported in, kind of a wash, rinse, and repeat compared to what we saw over the weekend and during the late stages of the week. But with a southwesterly flow beginning to start, we could see maybe a few isolated showers with maybe a rumble of thunder in the southern half of the state, but the rain chance today in the southern half of the state not too high. As we go into tomorrow, again, that southwesterly flow, that's going to continue, and that's going to transport more moisture northward. And we're going to see a few more showers and storms tomorrow, with them most likely favoring the southern half of the state. But by your Wednesday, with that southwesterly flow continuing, we're going to be looking at scattered showers and storms likely across the entirety of the Beehive State. So that looks like it's going to be our best chance. Not going to be 100% rain coverage, but that looks like we're going to see a pretty decent chance for rain by the time we get into your Wednesday. But with that higher chance, we'll also be monitoring the potential for some flash flooding. And you'll actually see the kind of transition here on the thunderstorm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, where today in the southern half of Utah, that's where we'll have that small chance for an isolated storm. But as that moisture gets transported northward, you see that general thunderstorm category being pushed farther north as well. So we will see the chance for showers and thunderstorms increasing as we go throughout the next couple of days, and we'll continue to keep you posted on that. As for our forecast today, it is going to be a warm day, warm start to this work week. In Salt Lake City, we're going to go with a high of 93 degrees, which is almost about 5 degrees above seasonal averages. In Provo, 94 for a high, Moab 100 degrees, and even in Cedar City, your temperature will find 91 this afternoon. In St. George, hazy with a small chance for a shower or storm later this afternoon, but that chance for showers and storms picking up as we move into your midweek. Then we'll be looking at scattered storms Wednesday with temperatures dropping back into the middle 80s, so definitely going to be on the cooler side. Meanwhile, on the Wasatch Front, patchy smoke for today and tomorrow with a small chance by tomorrow evening. Then we're looking at scattered storms on your Wednesday with isolated showers and storms being a possibility Thursday into your Friday. So that rain chance even along the Wasatch Front will be picking up as we move towards the second half of the week.